Hi and welcome back to How to Art. I thought we'd do a quick video today about paintbrushes. So if you're new to painting, you may be scratching your head and saying, what paintbrush should I use? This is a palette knife. You can use it to paint with and to mix your colors on your palette with. This is a flathead brush with an acrylic handle. I really like the acrylic handle because they're durable. You use them to lay down paint, not fine line work. This is a round brush, and you would use this to paint over a large area normally. This is an angle brush. It works well when you are painting stuff that you need a sharp edge on. This is a filbert. The filbert brush comes in handy to go around corners, to paint loosely with. This is a line brush that you would do your fine details with, and they all come in various sizes. This is a fan brush. You can use that for multiple things. Primarily, people use them in foliage. This is a nylon synthetic hairbrush. You can get them in real hair or synthetic. This is a bristle brush. They help with texture when you're painting. And really, it is all just a matter of preference. I would recommend this small collection of brushes to start off with and have fun with it. Thanks for watching.